guys for coming on, and thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. I wanted to share a really simple natural perfume that you can use and your whole family can enjoy. This particular natural perfume is going to be made with essential oils. We will not be using any fragrance oils, any perfumer's alcohol, or anything like that. We're going to blend together our favorite fragrances, and we're going to talk about what is a top note, what's a middle note, and what's a base note, because that's what's going to bring your fragrance together. So it's just a matter of you knowing, what do you like? What do you like to smell like? What fragrances make you go, or that smells so good, right? That's what this is here. So I have my rollers ready. I have my fractionated coconut oil, and I have all my fragrances, all my essential oils, that I like. Now each one, there's going to be a top note, a middle note, and a base note. So for your top notes, what you're going to look for is something kind of citrusy. You're going to have something citrusy. A top note is going to be like one of the very first things that you smell through your fragrance, but it does evaporate really quick. Your top note evaporates quickly. Your middle note is kind of, it's like holding the fragrance together. It's kind of keeping everything together so you can continue to have that nice fragrance throughout the day. And your base note, you can't have a good fragrance without your base note, because it's the foundation of your overall blend. It just makes everything happen, all the goodness. So in my very first natural perfume, I will have my lemon. And here I'm using Young Living essential oils, but I love all kinds of essential oils. I use so many different brands, but this is a really good brand that I enjoy using. And like I said, I'll have lemon as my top note for my first one. I'm going to use geranium for my middle note. I'm going to use cedarwood for my base note. So that's going to have kind of I'm thinking it's going to have like a little herbally smell, and I'm good with that. And I'm going to put some little calendula herbs up in there, make it look all pretty in my roller bottle. And for my next fragrance, what I'm going to do is lime. Lime is going to be my top note. And for my middle note, I'll be using Lang Lang. I don't even know if I'm ever saying that right, but I hope I am. And vanilla will be my base note. Oh, I'm looking forward to smelling that. I'm going to use some hibiscus little herbs to put up in that roller. And for my last natural perfume, I'm going to do orange. You can use sweet orange. There are all kinds of oranges. Isn't that interesting? But this is just orange. And this is like a sage. So that's the middle note. And patchouli. I love the way patchouli and orange smells together. Oh, I love it. It's divine for me. So what I will do is make sure that I provide you guys with a list of what a top note is, what a middle note, and what a base note is. So you can actually see some of the essential oils that are your top note, your middle note, and your base. I also recommend to go onto Plant Therapy's website. They have a really, really nice comprehensive list of essential oils. So enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get to blending these beautiful natural perfumes. Okay, so what you're gonna need is, and these are some of these things that I have here are extra, like the calendula and the little herbs that I have here is extra. As far as your ingredients, what you're gonna need to have, of course, is your essential oils and your fractionated coconut oil. I suggest the fractionated coconut oil because it doesn't mess with the smells. Like some carrier oils like jojoba oil or other carrier oils, even straight coconut oil, not fractionated, can actually overpower some of the smells. And the thing with essential oils, you don't want anything to overpower them at all, okay? So let's go ahead and get to blending. I'm so excited about this. So what we're gonna first do, we're gonna first go ahead and place our little calendula rose petals into the bottle. I'm gonna try to get these in here. I might make a little bit of mess. It doesn't have to be perfect, right, y'all? And I actually have a few pieces of actual chamomile in here as well, because I do love the smell of chamomile. It's so soothing. And I'm gonna take that off of there. All right, so you've gotten as much as you want in your pretty roller bottle. And what I'll do first is I'll go ahead and add my top note. So I'm gonna do 6 drops of lemon essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. All right. And then I'm gonna do the same amount for my geranium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, a little bit more. 6 or 7, give or take. And I'll have a list of, you know, if you want to start out small, maybe you can just do 4. And then for my cedar wood, I'm going to do only 4 drops of that. That's my base note. Cedar wood is a little bit of a thicker oil, so it takes a little bit more for it to go in. All right, that was about 4.5. And that's great. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I'll go ahead, and this is gonna be, these are lightweight scents. So this fractionated coconut oil, you don't wanna fill it too high because you gotta put your roller in there. And you're gonna pop your roller, ooh, like so. And that's beautiful. I love these bamboo rollers. So shake it up, give it a good shake. And what we do is we go ahead and let these sit for about a week. So this is gonna be my lemon. This is my lemon perfume. That's what I'm gonna call it for now so I can remember. It's yellow, so that helped me out with that. Now I'll do the same thing for my next fragrance, and this is gonna have some hibiscus herbs in there. I'm not gonna do too much. The hibiscus is gonna kind of turn it a little bit red, which is gonna be kind of cool. I can't wait to see that. All right, so, and just a few more pieces. All right. Now for my lime, I'm gonna do 5 drops of lime. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, they always wanna come out a little bit more than what I'd like. And that's fine. And for my, this is gonna be my warm fragrance because it has the vanilla in it, but this has the Lang Lang. And I'm going to do 5 drops of that, 4 and 5. Okay, I'm hoping you guys can see this. That's my middle note. And of course, vanilla is gonna be my base. Vanilla has such a nice warm smell. Excuse me, and what I'm gonna do is 8 drops of that one. And vanilla is thick, kind of like how the, you know, I find that the base notes usually are a little bit thicker. And it takes a little bit more for them to drop out, but we go get this on in here. All right. Okay. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells so good, you guys. Oh my word. I'm so excited about these. And this is gonna be my warm vanilla. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right. Well, we're gonna shake that up. And there you have it. That is my warm vanilla. And last but not least, we're gonna get to our last fragrance, and I'm gonna put a few pieces of lavender in there. And then I will take, oh, I love orange. I was debating whether to do orange with vanilla, but I didn't. I'm doing something different because I do love patchouli with orange. So for this, I'm gonna do 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And for my middle note, my sage, I'm gonna do another 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my base note for my patchouli, I'm gonna step that up a little bit and I'm going to do 7 drops. And like I said, the base notes tend to be a little bit thicker. It tends to take a little bit more to get them coming out of the bottles, and that's all right, that's normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, okay, you guys, so, oh my goodness. That smells so good. I was not expecting that. Okay, I didn't expect it would smell that good with the sage, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my fractionated coconut oil in there. And my roller, pop that on, close everything up. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for joining me with this all natural, this no nostalgia, all natural DIY perfume. I'm super excited about trying these after a week, but I'm gonna just test one out really quick. And see, the great thing about fractionated coconut oil is it's super light. No words. Absolutely no words. Oh my goodness, that's my, I wonder if it's gonna be my favorite one. That's the lemon. Oh my goodness. You guys gotta try these combos. These combos are amazing. I just love them so much. Oh my goodness, it's so soothing. I love it. You guys, please, like, subscribe, comment, and try these recipes. I will link everything in the description box. Thank you guys so much again for joining me here at Now Nostalgia. I love you guys, and I hope that everybody has a